A guide to prolonging Botox results. In this video, we will explore the effective strategies to extend the life of your Botox treatments. Botox, known for its ability to smooth dynamic wrinkles and fine lines, requires thoughtful care to maximize its longevity. Let's delve into how you can enhance and prolong the aesthetic benefits of Botox with proper care and practices. Number 1. Immediate aftercare. Post-treatment care is crucial for maximizing the effects of Botox. To avoid dispersing the botulinum toxin to unintended areas, it is advised to refrain from touching or massaging the treated regions, engaging in strenuous activities, or exposing oneself to high-heat environments such as saunas and hot showers within the first 24 hours after treatment. This care ensures optimal uptake of the toxin by the targeted muscles. Number 2. A skincare routine. A gentle skincare regimen that supports skin health can extend the effects of Botox. Products rich in hyaluronic acid, which hydrates the skin, and peptides, which support the skin's elasticity, are recommended. These ingredients help maintain the skin's overall health and enhance the results of your Botox treatment by keeping the skin supple and responsive. Number 3. Healthy lifestyle choices. The longevity of Botox results is not only influenced by clinical care, but also by lifestyle choices. Maintaining a well-hydrated body, consuming a balanced diet rich in antioxidants, and managing stress effectively can improve skin quality. Number 4. Regular maintenance sessions. To maintain the desired aesthetic effects, regular follow-up sessions are essential. Typically, Botox injections are needed every 3 to 4 months. Regular treatments can help train the facial muscles to relax, thereby enhancing the lasting effects of Botox. Number 5. Tailored treatment plans. Each individual's response to Botox can vary based on factors like muscle mass, metabolic rate, and lifestyle. Regular consultations with your provider will allow adjustments to be made to your treatment plan based on your specific needs and the way your body adapts to Botox. As you consider how to extend the effects of your Botox treatments, remember that the expertise of your injector and the quality of your personal care regimen are paramount. For more tailored advice and to ensure you are maximizing the benefits of your Botox treatments, book a consultation today with one of our experienced professionals. Our team is dedicated to helping you achieve and maintain your desired results with the highest level of care.